Today we're gonna explain and look through this $1.7 million apartment in Paddington. Just to give you an idea, I went for inspection for this property for a client, and it's a very nice apartment, 2 split level, average price 1.7. And what I love about this is it has a direct access from the lift. So you open the lift straight up and you get into your house. Love it. So let's walk through it. Okay, so this is the direct access from the lift, and there you go. So it's not very overly clean and ready for the market. The reason why this one was actually off market, and I went through this apartment. That's a desk, that's the lift, and there you go. We walk through the apartment, and on the right side we have the small bedrooms. That's where the kids used to sleep. Big wardrobe and the view of the city. There you go. There you go. The next one is the bathroom. This is the small bathroom. Shower, toilet. Nice, simple and neat. And this is the master bedroom. That's the second bathrooms. Shower, toilet and bath. There you go. And this is the master bedroom with a bit of a window to the road. And now we go downstairs to the main level. That's my friend, the real estate agent. Good man. Shout out to Ted. And there you go. Balcony facing the main road. But what I did like about these windows here, they had a double glaze, so you can't hear anything at all. Good spot of Paddington. And this is the open living area. Kitchen. And nice coffee machine. I love this one. Storage. It's a storage room. And what do we got here now is the laundry, dryer, washing machine, and the third bathrooms. There you go. This is what you get into a $1.7 million apartment in Paddington. Thank you very much.